Now is your chance to purchase commercial space in Pettis County, Missouri, selling on our Unreserved online auction October 11th, 2022. This 1,025 square foot building situated on 0.52 acres gives you the opportunity to open the business of your dreams. Currently, this building is set up as a tanning salon and the equipment is negotiable. There are 4 tanning beds and 1 spray tan system in the building. The main level has 2 entries and is broken up into 7 smaller rooms. The basement has a walkout entry and is mostly wide open with 2 rooms and 2 half baths. The basement also has a washer, dryer hookup along with the utility sink. The building has a parking area in front and additional parking in the back. Join us for the open house on September 27th, 2022. For more information, visit BigIronRealty.com or contact your listing agents, Arlen Schwartzentruber or Justin Hubbs.